my YouTube channel. Today you are watching Jordan TV, and today I'm going to be making a curly wig, curly crochet wig using only 3 items. So this is what I'm going to be using. I got me a anti-slip crochet wig. Oh, I know you can see that, but it's a crochet wig. Then I got my hair. Now I'm using free twist. Free tress, and it is the long curl one, and I got 2 of these. And then most importantly, I got my latch hook. So let's get started on that. Disclaimer, now I did use 3 packs of hair because I ran out. Why? I got me some scissors because I couldn't open it. Alright, so this is what basically the cap looks like. It's pretty, got elastic around the back to make sure that it's not gonna be, it's not gonna fall off your head. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my trusty mannequin here. Alright, hopefully I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. But I'm gonna try to put a picture somewhere up over here, somewhere over here, I guess, of what I'm trying to get it to look like. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start latch hooking the hair towards the back of the head and make my way up, because this is gonna be, the front part's gonna be a bang. So yeah, I'm gonna just start from the back. Okay, so right now I'm about to take my latch hook and I'm about to pull it through the hair net, and I'm skipping like 1 or 2 holes. Then I'm about to put the hair into the latch hook and I'm gonna pull it through, creating a loop. Now what I'm going to try to do here is put the hair back into the latch hook and pull it through, but struggling. But after that, I'm just try and pull it back through the loop with or without the latch hook. And there it goes right there. And then I'm going to just pull it down and make sure that I have a secure knot. Alright, so this is how far I've gotten with just not even the pack. It's like a half a pack. Like the hair comes in like a little wire bundle like this. And this is how much I gotten done with this so far. Now I'm just gonna finish the whole pack and I'll come back to y'all after that. Alright, so this is the wig after like 1 pack of this. And not even gonna lie to you, I feel that I might need like 1 more pack of hair, but I'm gonna just, finish it all out before I even, get to second guessing myself. But this is it. It's the back. And now I'm about to go ahead and put the second one in and see if I need another pack of hair. So this is the hair with 2 packs. As you can see, she's not doing so well. So I'm gonna go hit the beauty supply store in the morning. But I feel that I would have been able to finish it if I were to separate the first pack of hair in like 3 sections, like how I did with this, like with the front. But yeah, she kind of got a bald spot right now. So I'm gonna have to get another pack of hair. So disclaimer, I needed 3, not 2. But right now she looks kind of full. Yeah, that's it for that one. I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store. Alright, so now I'm just in the beauty supply store, just looking for the hair again since I ran out. And right now I'm looking for the free tress in a 2-pack, and it's the wand curl, I believe, in the color 2. So yeah, well, now that I found it, I'm about to head back up to the register and buy what I came here for. Alright, so last time you seen Miss Juanita, she had a bald spot, still does. Just came back from the beauty supply store and doing my errands and stuff. So now I'm about to finish her head and about to cut it into the bang that I want. And then yeah, I'll just finish this up real quick. Hopefully I can make this up. Alright, so now I'm all done. Still there, no more bald spots. So now I'm about to get my scissors and shave her up, flip her up some. And I might just fill in a couple of spots that look kind of, messy, so no one can see the net. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, now that it's all done, I'm gonna cut the bang gang. Alright, so now that I already parted the hair into like this rainbow part, I twisted it, and now I'm just gonna start cutting upwards onto the hairs to create that bang look that I'm looking for. Alright, and now that I cut the bang, I'm basically gonna keep on giving it some layers to my liking. And I'm just gonna cut around, give it a little angle, and yep. And in a minute, you're gonna see that I'm gonna be cutting upwards into the bang. That's just me giving it more layers and thinning it out a little to my liking. Done. Done now. Now all I gotta do is put it on my head. So this is how my hair looked, and this is the final result. I had it big and fluffy, and yes, for some parts I did have it up in a ponytail with the bang. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. As always, subscribe, like, and comment, and thank you so much.